Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to discuss some math operations in Python. So let's create a file called mathoperations.py, of course. And within that file, let's create two variables. Let's call them num1, and we'll set that to 6. And then like num2, we'll set equal to 3. Okay, so there's a bunch of math operations that we can do. We can do a lot of this stuff within f string. So let's print, and we'll create an f string, and we'll say num1 plus num2 equals, and then we can pass in, well, num1 plus num2. So we can do these math operations right in the curly braces, and we'll put a period for punctuation, of course. Okay, so that's addition. So we can also do, of course, subtraction. So num1 minus num2 equals, then in the curly braces, we want to do num1 minus num2. Okay, period for punctuation. We can also do multiplication. So we can say num1 times, I'm going to use the x for times, num2 equals num1 times num2. Okay. So we can do two different types of division. The first is going to be the normal one that we're going to do. So we can print num1 divided by num2 equals num1 divided by num2. That's going to be a float, by the way. And we can also do floor division. So let's make a num3 here, and let's make the num3 equal to 7. Okay, so I'm going to print num3, and we'll do floor division, which is 2 slashes, divided by num2 equals num3, we're doing the floor division, divided by num2. Okay, and period for punctuation, of course. Okay, and we can also do exponents. So we can say num1, I'm going to do a caret here, raised to the power of num2 equals, then within the curly braces, we can do num1, and then 2 asterisks is the power operator, raised to num2, period for punctuation. And then finally, I want to talk about the modulo operator. So let's again use num3. So I'm going to print an f string. I'm going to say num3, this modulo operator, num2 is going to equal, and we'll talk about the modulo operator in a minute, equals num3 modulo num2. Okay, period at the end. So let's figure out what these are going to be. So this one here is going to be 6 plus 3, so that's going to be 9. This one here is going to be 6 minus 3, so that's going to be 3. This one here is going to be 6 times 3, so it should be 18. This one here is going to be num1 divided by num2. It should be 2. This one here is floor division, so we're going to divide it, but then chop off the extra. Oh, by the way, this is going to be a float, so this is going to be 2.0. This one will be 7 divided by 3, but floor division, so it should be 2. And this one here is raised to a power. So 6 raised to the power of 3, that's 216. Okay, and then this one here, 7 modulo 3. So what does that mean? Well, that's 7 divided by 3. It gives you the remainder. So 7 divided by 3, 3 goes in twice, but it has a remainder of 1. So this will be 1. It's the remainder. All right, so we're going to save this. Let's run a terminal. I'm running eShell, and I'm going to type the name of the file after Python 3 for running Python 3, and we'll see that we've got The modulo is 1. 6 raised to the power of 3 is 216. Floor division, 7 divided by 3 with floor division is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2.0 because it returns a float. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of understanding of some of the math operations available in Python. I want you to try them out. If you're learning Python, play with them yourself. That's the best way to learn. And if you like this video, please like the video as it will help get it out to more people. I want to thank you for watching and have a great day.